See. All right, listen to this. According to a new report, Americans spent more than $12 billion on cosmetic surgery just last year. So that's a big number. Why do the numbers continue to rise, and just what are people electing to have done? Let's find out. Dr. Goodkind is here from Fusion Medical Aesthetic Boutique in Brentford. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you. Thank you.
Billion? That is that is way more than I thought. You know, the numbers are going up, but we've just gotten out of a bad economy. How is that happening?
Well, I don't think it's coincident with the bad economy. It just happened that there are huge developments in things that are minimally to non-invasive, things that are relatively inexpensive, things that don't cost you much in the way of downtime. So procedures like lasers and fillers and Botox can all be done without breaking the bank and won't keep you away from work.
So it's not just the celebs in Hollywood that can afford this anymore. Kind of anyone can if they go in and they pick something that works for them, and the downtime is a plus too.
Yeah, there's pretty much something for everybody, depending, and they can do something irregardless of their socioeconomic level.
Do we care more? Are you seeing signs of this, people coming into your office, where we care more about how we look? You know, people are very conscious about exercising, very conscious about what they're eating now. There's sort of a big movement with that too. Is that sort of working hand in hand with the plastic surgery industry?
Yeah, people are living longer, they're exercising, they're feeling really good. They want to look as good as they feel.
Let's talk about the biggies. What are people having done? I know lipo's one of them, right?
Liposuction is a huge procedure.
And I think we have some pictures.
Liposuction is an excellent procedure in the proper patient. It's great for diminishing an isolated area of fatty fullness, fatty disproportion that's unresponsive to diet and exercise.
Are these, okay, so those are the before. Wow.
Yeah. So
the skin looks better too, though. I feel like the skin has a better look to it.
Well, if you're lucky enough to have good elasticity to your skin, once you reduce the fatty volume, the envelope will shrink in.
Okay.
Laser-assisted liposuction helps that a good bit as well.
That's that skin tightening that you hear?
Right.
Okay.
Conventional liposuction would just suction out the fat. Laser-assisted liposuction helps to, like in this next case, helps to shore up and shrink the skin envelope so you contour much better.
So again, those are some of the innovations that you're talking about.
That's a before and that's an FDR. Laser liposuction, I think, has really improved liposuction.
Wow, and it's been around for a long time, so it's come a long way, baby. Wow.
Yep.
All right, we have some other pictures as well. This is lipo, but what are some of the other procedures that are the biggies right now? Is this breast augmentation?
Breast augmentation, unfortunately, we've covered up a little bit too much of the breast, but breast augmentation is wonderful. It enhances the shape and size of the breast that's often damaged by diet, by extreme exercise, and pregnancy.
And you can see right there, wow, that's an incredible after. Another thing we should keep in mind as we're talking about this is reconstruction. Sometimes, obviously, if you go through breast cancer, it's a procedure that leaves women with an incredible option that they didn't have many years ago.
Yeah, didn't have. It's been since about the late 80s that even most insurance companies, all insurance companies, are mandated to pay for breast reconstruction after cancer surgery. Not only that, they're also obligated to pay for the contralateral or opposite breast, so things match and look nice.
How about that? All these changes. Okay, we want to talk about eyes. Eyes, that's a popular one, and that one can go wrong fast, but it's still one of the biggies that people were doing last year. This is a before here.
Eyes are huge. The fatty fullness and excess skin around your eyes make you look tired and aged.
Look
at the difference here, so you can see that removing the fat and excess skin really brightens up your face, opens up the middle third of your face, and gives you a fresh, youthful appearance.
And this is one of the things, eyes, of course, we see them in our selfies, and selfies have never been bigger, and everybody's doing them. Social media has played a role in this number rising as well, right?
Yeah, we spoke about that a few months ago, that people are constantly seeing images of themselves from different views that they've never saw before.
Yeah, right.
Usually
like, that's
your
what
only
that looks like?
image of yourself is your frontal view in the mirror in the morning. Now you see yourself from all angles.
We're 3D now, yeah.
Right?
It was more fun the other way. It's like those awful three-way mirrors where you're like, oh my goodness.
Right. You never saw that before.
If you want to check out more of these before and afters or get some information from Dr. Goodkind, just head to FUZIONCT.com, right?
Right. Fusion with a Z. FUZIONCT.com.
Fusion with a Z.
Right.
Thank you for coming in, Dr. Goodkind.
Thank you very much.